A schema is a mental framework that helps people organize and interpret information based on past experiences and knowledge. Schemas allow individuals to quickly understand new situations by using patterns from similar experiences. For example, when someone enters a restaurant, they already have an expectation of what will happen based on their schema for dining out. Schemas help people make sense of the world efficiently, but they can also lead to biases or misunderstandings when new information does not fit existing mental structures. Now let's explore the origins of this concept. The concept of schema was first introduced by psychologist Jean Piaget in his theory of cognitive development. Piaget proposed that children develop schemas as they learn about the world, constantly modifying them through assimilation, adding new information to existing schemas, and accommodation, changing schemas when new information does not fit. Later, psychologist Frederick Bartlett expanded on this idea, showing how schemas influence memory by shaping how people recall and interpret stories. Over time, the concept of schema has been widely used in psychology, education, and artificial intelligence to explain how knowledge is structured and applied. Now let's look at some examples of schemas in daily life. One example of a schema is the way people recognize social roles. If someone meets a doctor, their schema for doctors might include expectations that they wear lab coats, work in hospitals, and provide medical advice. Another example is language learning, where schemas help individuals understand how sentences are structured based on past exposure. In education, students develop schemas for subjects like math, allowing them to apply familiar problem-solving techniques to new equations. Schemas also play a role in memory, influencing what details people remember or forget about an event. Now let's explore some strengths of schemas. One strength of schemas is that they help people process information quickly by providing shortcuts for understanding new situations. Instead of analysing every detail from scratch, individuals use schemas to make sense of their surroundings efficiently. Another advantage is that schemas help with learning by allowing people to connect new knowledge to what they already know. This is particularly useful in education, where teachers can build on students' existing schemas to introduce more complex concepts. Additionally, schemas contribute to memory organisation, helping individuals recall information by linking it to related ideas. Now let's consider some criticisms of schemas. One criticism of schemas is that they can lead to cognitive biases by causing individuals to interpret new information in ways that confirm their existing beliefs. For example, if someone has a negative schema about a certain group, they may ignore evidence that contradicts their assumptions. Another limitation is that schemas can sometimes oversimplify complex situations, leading to misunderstandings or errors in judgment. Additionally, schemas can make it difficult to change deeply ingrained ideas, as people may resist new information that does not fit their current mental frameworks. Despite these challenges, schemas remain an essential part of how people think, learn, and remember.